let me just start off by saying the city is not shutting down. Let me say that again. The city is not shutting down. So I know there are a lot of things on social media. I tweeted something out this morning that social media can be good, but in a crisis like this, social media can work against you. And so let me just say it as clearly as I can. The city of Houston is not shutting down. We are all engaging in social distancing. And so for where there are employees who can do their functions from at home, they're doing that online, teleconferencing, telephone. We're setting up appointments so that the business can continue. We're engaging in social distancing. We're not shaking hands, none of that. But the city is not shutting down. And then we look at the facts and information on a daily basis as we move forward. So let me just say that everybody can kind of take a collective breath, and then we will collectively we will get through this particular crisis. About 1 hour ago, the City of Houston Health Department, the medical community, including members of the Texas Medical Center, opened the first of 4 city-county COVID-19 drive-through testing sites for high-risk systematic people. And I think we have a live stream of the who are experiencing symptoms. It is important to open this process first to the people on the front lines of protecting everyone else from this disease. And healthcare workers and public safety officials are the groups with the highest risk of exposure and potential to infect other people. We have directly informed members of those professions by sending the test site protocol and location information to fire and police chiefs, Harris County Medical Society, and CETRAC. The COVID-19 drive-through testing sites will expand Saturday, March 21st, to people 65 and older with symptoms including fever. So it will expand tomorrow, Saturday, to people 65 and older with symptoms including fever. And after Saturday, it will open to anyone meeting high-risk testing criteria. The Houston Health Department and Harris County Public Health will open 3 other sites in the coming days for people pre-identified at high risk and announce an online and phone-based screening process. 2 sites, for a total of 4 sites, have been approved by FEMA for our area, 2 in Houston and 2 in Harris County. And the first one, of course, we're standing up today. The others should be operational next week. The health departments respectfully ask the news media to refrain from showing close images of the centers when they are operational to protect patients' privacy. And doing so may lead people to being identified and discourage symptomatic people from participating, furthering the spread of COVID-19 in the community. People simply showing up to a site will not be getting tested, so it's not about just showing up because you want to be tested. There is a protocol, and we ask people to follow that protocol. Although we understand the anxiety and community concern, please know not everyone needs a test, and that we have developed a process to identify people for whom testing is necessary. And as you know, it took a lot of work for us to get to this point today. Certainly want to thank our federal partners, and today we have Congresswoman Sheila Jackson-Lee, Congressman Al Green that are also present. We want to thank all of our leaders on the federal level for working with us. We want to thank the county Judge Lena Hidalgo and Dr. Shaw, who you will be hearing from later. Certainly the City of Houston's Health Department, Dr. Purse and Stephen Williams, Director Williams, and others. I want to thank FEMA as a whole, our first responders, our hospitals, Texas Medical Center and our hospitals and their healthcare personnel, It's just a collective effort, and it's another reminder that if we work together, we can get through it. And before I forget, let me just make this announcement. Metro will be implementing measures to promote social distancing by blocking some of their seats. And beginning Monday, Metro will not be enforcing the collection of fares and allowing persons to enter from the rear of the bus to reduce interaction. So that will start taking place on Monday. I wanted to make that mention.